Question 27. Samir writes down all of the odd numbers between 50 and 70 that are divisible by both 7 and 9. What is the sum of the numbers Samir writes? Now, one of the key numbers here is odd. So you remember that we're looking for just the odd numbers, because the first time I did it, I got that wrong. So we are looking between 500 and 700. They're the numbers that we want. We know that 7 multiplied by 9, if something's in the 7 times table and the 9 times table, then they also have to be in the 63 times table. So we're looking at multiples of 63. I know one multiple of 63 is 630. And from there, I can add 63, and then I can subtract 63. Now, only this one and this one here are odd. So those are the two numbers I need to add together. So the answer is 1,260.